So we're in the midst of observing Black History Month. And I want to share some wisdom from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who said the ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. Now, part of our intention is to create a world that works for everyone. And here's another bit of wisdom from Dr. King. The hope of a secure and livable world lies with disciplined nonconformists who are dedicated to justice, peace, and brotherhood. So my brothers and sisters, the magnificence of this teaching is that it stands in testament to the power and the joy of being a disciplined nonconformist, because that's who we are. It is dedicated to justice. It is dedicated to peace. It's dedicated to brotherhood, sisterhood, to oneness. So may we all this week disrupt the narrative within us and around us of the status quo, whether it's our own status quo or someone else, as we seek to reveal that authentic truth of who we are and what we are, divine expressions of God. Let's pray.